I'm holding on your rope, I'm like 10 feet off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound.